talk about to a generative AI tool that is called Power Mode. This tool is a presentation tool with which you can create presentation in matter of minutes or in matter of even seconds. So this is the tool that I am talking about. That is Power Mode. Now let us deep dive back into this. So that this case I have created for this is to for my wife's one of the startup is career coach for HR professionals. So the what can I offer is something that you can key in here in the topic of your deck, right? So maybe even you can simplify it by saying career coach for HR professionals, right? So you can just put it that. And then the most important thing, the three pointers that in which you want to anchor your presentation, which is talent acquisition struggle, the first point. And then the second point is all about employment, engagement, and retention. And then just check if there is a bullet point there. Yeah, it is there. Just remove it. And then the third point is about adapting technology changes or workplace or leadership development. That is another good great point. So just we can just put it and just remove the bullet points and then just give some summary around this. I don't know why my video is not working, but that's okay. Um, Summary is this, right? Just put what is that you want to do, and then just creating the presentation structure. So what it will give you is what is that you want to do. It will instantly create these slides. Now the kind of you can even choose let AI decide or you want to go and give your own thoughts. So career coach for HR professionals, these are the four pointers, and then it will give you struggles, right? And then there is an employee engagement and retention, and then the leadership development, succession planning, and personalized coaching and mentorship. So these are the slides. You can definitely download these slides and then use it at a later point of time. It is definitely not a finished product yet, but what it will provide is that it will give you a structure. Maybe these are like very verbose, but you can always download these slides and then and then add your thoughts into it in the presentation and then add your thoughts here by saying okay, this is the topic that I am working on, so now I'll just add it as a bullet point, and then I will add my template inside, insert a template, and then structure this, right? But it will provide a specific input for a career coach can provide, right? For this particular topic, it will provide all the detailed thoughts into it. Yeah, you can always do it with the chat gpt and just copy paste in a ppt and do that, but this is slightly very slightly better in terms of giving your thoughts and inputs in a structured way. You can always alter these thinking by saying okay fine, I want to add regenerate slides. It will regenerate again with the different thinking, right? Now it has developed a bullet point. Okay, thank you team.